Hey, what'd we hit?
I'm assuming something on the road.
You're assuming something on the road?
Yeah.
When did you hit it?
5-10 minutes ago.
5-10 minutes ago? Okay, how much have you had to drink tonight?
A couple beers and
Okay, I'm gonna have you step out of the vehicle for me, okay? We're gonna go right up to the front of your car, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Right up here.
Just to let you know, I got my camera on.
You know what, we can actually just go right up on that sidewalk. That's easier, it's off the road. So about how long ago did you hit something? We'll go right on the sidewalk, okay? We'll put you on level ground.
It was 10 minutes.
10 minutes? Okay, did you run over something? Did you hit the curb?
There was something in the road.
Something in the road,
Yeah.
but you don't remember what it was.
It might have been just a screw.
Just a screw or something.
How far back was it, do you think?
Like, did you hit it and then you pulled right over?
Just blocked over?
Maybe a block over?
On Aaron Drive?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you want to check it out?
Yeah, I'll just go down there and just drive. You're good here for a
Yeah.
second? Just make sure nothing's, Yeah.
George 11, welcome unit driving. George 11. George 11, turn back. I'm not going to return on my grandma. George 11. Three 1020, welcome. I had a note for the call. Be clear north.
Do you think it was a curb, maybe?
No.
Can you put your hands, you got that watch right there, so I don't want to, can you put them facing each other, Christian? Nope, sorry. Put your, like these, the palm, put the, like that. A little bit closer together for me. Can you move them at all closer together? Okay, I'm going to put you in 2 handcuffs, okay? Because it seems like we're struggling getting our hands back.
Do you want me to take this off?
We can take the watch off in a second.
Yeah.
It might have been a curb.
Might have been a curb. Okay.
I didn't see anything in the roadway, and that would have made sense that a curb would have done that to your tire.
Yeah. I'm just going to lock all these to make sure you're good, okay? So they don't tighten on you. Thank you. I was like, these ones are different. Okay. And then we're gonna come right over here to this car. Okay? And he's gonna search you. And then we're gonna take you back to the P. Yeah.
I can do it.
Thank you.
We're gonna kind of walk him. I want to test you.
Okay, we're gonna walk right over here. He's gonna pat you down, and then we're gonna take you to the PD and do the BAC process, okay?
Okay.
Why he's
Just gonna put my gloves on. Any drugs or anything on there? guns, knives.
No.
Says he just
Nothing
has
sharp.
his charger.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I need. Do you have your ID with you?
Is your ID in your car?
It's in that one?
It's in
Okay,
that pocket?
cool.
Okay.
Window is still rolled down.
Yep. And it sounds
We'll
like
make sure everything's tidied up. We'll call the tow to see if they're still coming or what they're doing. Do you want it towed?
Do you want it towed? Do you want them to come and tow your car? Or do you want it, you can, it's legally parked right now, so you can leave it here.
Both sides.
I think my phone's in one of these pockets.
Yeah,
Okay,
we can take
that's
your
fine. I'll
phone
get it.
with us, okay?
Is that your phone right there? Something you just pulled out? Or is it something like the Wi-Fi thing or something?
Charger.
Put your hands a little bit so I can... Oh, you don't have a pocket on that side. Okay.
Alright. I'm gonna read your rights to you while he buckles you in, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Mm-hmm.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us?
Mm-hmm.
You do. Okay.
You're Lincoln, welcome. Miranda Red.
Christian, how much did you have to drink tonight? Because it was not 2.
4 or 5 cores.
4 or 5 cores. Where were you drinking tonight?
Northwood.
Northwood Casino. Okay, so you had 4 or 5 cores. About when did you start drinking?
4:30.
4:30ish. Okay, so you had about 4 or 5 in the last 4 hours ish. Somewhere in there. Do you think that you should be driving right now? No. Okay.
I was just trying to get home.
Okay. Do you think that you might have fallen asleep a little bit and hit the curb on your way home?
No.
No?
Got distracted by something maybe?
Were you on your phone maybe, or changing the music or something, or?
No.
No. Okay. Okay, we're gonna take you back to the PD, okay? Do you want to keep your car here or have it towed?
Where would it be towed to?
Well, you get to decide that. You can have it towed home.
It'd be on your bill.
Yeah, it'd be on, you're paying for it, so wherever you want it towed.
Uh,
Or do you want to leave it here and take care of it?
to the house. It'd be on AAA.
Okay, so do you have a AAA card on you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you called AAA to get the tow to come?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do is we will make a quick phone call to the tow company and see if they are able to respond and tow us without you being here. Okay, and then we'll go from there. Does that sound okay? Okay. Yeah, let me go and take this off really quick. Do you have, can I have Christian, do you have your registration in your car? Where's that?
What box?
Is it okay if I go and get your registration for your car? Okay, thanks.
I'm working on your license. So I'm working on a license.
Okay.
It's in a tight. Christian, so you got a little bit of cash here.
Mm-hmm.
Do you care if I just put it in the car?
Just keep it in the wallet.
Keep it in the wallet? Can I put your wallet in the car? And we can lock it in there?
No.
You want to keep it with you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you want your phone?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll get that. windows rolled up and locked, and we'll take the keys. Dude, I thought you were done drinking.
It was a hard night.
Yeah? How long have you been drinking again for?
Not that long.
I'm gonna go call the tow truck company really quick.
Okay. Okay. Like, have you been drinking for months, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's just, oh, my mom had to be meted back to the hospital last month.
What was going on with that?
She had a stroke and a brain bleed. Couple seizures.
It's tough, man. Is she doing okay now?
Mm-hmm.
Back home?
Yeah. Took a week. Took a week.
Okay. And when was this?
April.
Was that when you started drinking then?
Yeah.
And you've just been drinking every day since?
Yeah. I've been trying to stop again.
Yeah. You kind of fell back into it. You were doing good for a while.
Yeah.
Are you gambling too? Just drinking there?
With food, yeah.
Drinking. Do you drink at home? Or do you always go places to drink?
Just Northwood.
What is that?
Close to home. I got friends that hang out there.
Okay. I thought you were going to be riding your bike if you were drinking.
I wasn't really planning on it.
What?
Wasn't planning on drinking.
You just kind of drank too much and,
Yeah.
you know, I prefer you don't drink just because I know your history and where it leads you. But if you're gonna be drinking, man, you can't be driving. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because honestly, this is the best thing that could happen. Because you very well could have hit somebody, some kid that's, you know, there's been kids walking by all the time, family members, somebody's car even could have hurt, like damaged someone's property.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of really, really bad things could have happened tonight. I'm glad none of that did happen. I'm hoping tonight's kind of a reality check, right? Gotta make better choices. Okay, I'm gonna shut the door, okay?
Okay.
him for an officer's request. So
No.
he can respond, but he's out in Kendall, so.
No, it's fine. It's parked legally on the side of the road, so we'll just go ahead and leave it here, and Christian will deal with it when he gets out. But she said that she is driving to the Linden Police Department because we always have an officer nearby and she feels safe there. And so he said, if she comes your way, he was like, she had already left by the time MCOT responded back to me, but he's sending MCOT up to us to hopefully meet her there. She's driving a Pontiac 5. The address starts with, or the license plate is 215. Pontiac 5.
That's the sound of the police! That's the sound of the police!
Okay. We'll figure it out there. Okay. So the tow truck isn't able to come right now. They're really busy right now.
Oh.
So, and since you're not going to be here, the vehicle's legally parked. It's allowed to be here.
Okay.
So you can deal with it after everything's all done with, okay?
Okay.
Okay. We're going to go back to PD. Through Lincoln and Welcome Transporting.
Good night.
Adult male in custody back to PD.
Copy. Welcome, 3 George 11. Got it?
Code 4.
Code 4, 2101.
Probably not. You're probably going to go to jail. In Whatcom County, we book all DUIs into jail. So we don't even have a choice. That's just how it goes. We don't even have a choice to do it or not. That's just how it goes. What's that? Maybe after you get out of jail. But that's the only option tonight is to go to jail. Huh? What'd you say? What do you mean you can't? You don't have a choice. No, we can't. You committed a crime, and it's a crime that we have to take you to jail for.
Charles John Henry 6315.
Copy.
Unless your breath sample is under 0.08, but I don't think it is. I don't know. Probably just the night. Can you stop this car in front of me? It's been driving on the white line and going super slow this entire time. Call out, see if Wyatt will respond. If it's DUI. But there's something going on with it. This is the Pontiac. This is the old lady. Okay. Yeah, I was gonna say, I just realized that. Okay. Bye. Hey. What's that? Yeah. Okay. Okay, what was the original complaint? Like, why is she coming here anyway? Oh, she... Okay. Okay. Yeah. And MCOT is already en route to this? Okay. Sounds good. See you shortly. Bye. Wayland, can I walk my ride? Also, you can clear the watch for George.
Copy.
I'll get your stuff in a second. Get going. Can you grab his stuff on the top of my car? You've been here before? Go ahead and take a seat in that black chair. That way, funny. I've been taking his handcuffs off.
Yeah.
But if you want to, you can. You don't have to. Yeah.
No, you can take them off.
Do you need to use the bathroom?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, do you want to stand up and we'll take your handcuffs off because you're being compliant with us, okay?
So the one rule, just keep your hands away from your mouth, okay?
Hang on one second. I've got a couple more to take off.
I'll give you a break for this property.
All right, and I'm gonna look inside your mouth, okay? Oh my goodness.
Do you want my body cam?
No. All right, you wanna open your mouth and then lift every time?